Welcome to PocketCFI. In today's brief video, we are going to show you our interactive How to Become a Pilot checklist. In order to access our checklist, sign up for our free membership, and from the Access portal, click How to Become a Pilot in order to get to our How to Become a Pilot checklist. From here, select the country where you are from, and our checklist will automatically adapt to only show you relevant content based on your selection. Our checklist is organized in logical and meaningful sections, which, when you click them, drop down the relevant content pertaining to the title. All of our checklists begin with a small introduction and are followed up by a step-by-step guide as to what you need to do to complete this particular checklist topic. Each checklist has dynamic checkboxes which you can check off, which will save to your account and track your progress. Checklist items have external references which will take you to regulations, third-party websites, or government sources for more information. Additionally, we feature inside information from our own app and from our own membership area for further details and more information. If at any point in time you wish to schedule a talk with one of our professionals, simply click the Need Help button and schedule a consultation. Thank you very much, and welcome to PocketCFI's How to Become a Pilot checklist.